Bad versus badly. Avoiding the adjective-adverb mix-up. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic in English grammar that often leads to confusion: the correct usage of bad and badly. In this video, we will focus specifically on a common error: incorrectly using bad as an adverb. Buckle up, and let's dive into the wonderful world of adjectives and adverbs. Before we start with bad and badly, let's remind ourselves of what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns, whereas adverbs usually modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They help us to express how, when, where, and to what extent something is done. The words bad and badly can be a source of confusion for many English learners because one is an adjective and the other is an adverb. Bad is an adjective and is used to modify nouns and pronouns. For instance, in the sentence, "I had a bad headache," bad describes the noun, headache. Badly, on the other hand, is an adverb and is used to modify verbs. For instance, in the sentence, "She plays piano badly," badly describes how she plays the piano. Now that we understand the roles of bad and badly, let's delve into the common mistake of using bad as an adverb. Since bad is an adjective, it cannot be used to modify a verb, which is the role of an adverb. A common incorrect usage is a sentence like, "I feel bad about forgetting her birthday." In this sentence, feel is a verb, so the word that modifies it should be an adverb. Therefore, it might seem that the correct sentence should be, "I feel badly about forgetting her birthday." However, here's where English gets tricky. Certain verbs like feel, appear, look, smell, and taste are known as linking or sensory verbs. They are an exception to the rule and should be modified by adjectives rather than adverbs. So, the correct sentence is indeed, "I feel bad about forgetting her birthday." To sum up, the sentence, "I feel bad," is correct, whereas, "I feel badly," implies that there's something wrong with your ability to feel, which isn't the intended meaning. And there you have it. The common error of using bad as an adverb cleared up. English grammar can be complex, and even the smallest words like bad and badly can cause confusion. But don't worry, with practice, understanding, and attention to detail, you'll master these in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, even native English speakers sometimes get confused with these details. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!